How to make a dragon. Find the little bag, take out an index card, put the rest back. For one design of the dragon, you're going to fold it in half the long way and then cut down the middle of it. If one design is you make a dragon that's pointy like this, the other design, which we found worked better, is if you make a square nose dragon like that, it captures the marble better. If you keep the blank side of the index card out, you can draw a dragon on the outside of the index card. If you don't have a pair of scissors, the other option, you fold it once, you fold it again, and you sort of pinch that crease, and you basically keep doing that over and over again like that. Just keep folding it back and forth. And if you do it enough times, you're then going to hold it down on the piece of paper with this hand, and you're going to pull. I might not have done it enough. You got to do it more times than you think. Try it again. I might start it a little bit there. Now if I hold it down, I can pull it. When you fold it, we found that the square nose worked a little better than the pointy nose. It's better if they're even on both sides. Then you can decorate your dragon on the outside.